KPI Green Energy wins 534 MW solar BOS orders from Adani Green at Khavda, major EPC boost. KPI Green Energy Limited has announced that it has received significant orders related to the supply of goods and on-site services for the Balance of System, or BOS, package for large-scale solar power projects with an aggregate capacity of 534 MW. These projects are located at Khavda in Kutch district, Gujarat, one of India's most strategically important renewable energy hubs. The orders have been awarded by Adani Green Energy Limited and its group entity, Adani Green Energy 6 Limited. While Adani Green Energy Limited has placed supply orders for BOS materials, Adani Green Energy 6 Limited has awarded on-site service orders for execution and commissioning activities. The scope of work under the Balance of System package is comprehensive and spans both supply and execution. On the supply side, KPI Green Energy will be responsible for manufacturing, procurement, packing, transportation, factory acceptance testing, and supply of commissioning spares, mandatory spares, consumables, and all associated materials required for the solar projects. In addition to supply, the on-site services component includes receipt and unloading of materials at site, storage, installation, testing, commissioning, and full execution of civil, mechanical, and electrical works. The scope also covers handing over of the projects and conducting performance guarantee testing, which is a critical milestone in large utility-scale solar installations. These solar projects will be executed in a phased manner, as per the timeline stipulated in the respective contracts. Phased execution allows better resource optimization and aligns with the overall development schedule of the Khavda Renewable Energy Complex. Khavda in Gujarat has emerged as one of the largest renewable energy zones in India, with multiple gigawatts of solar and hybrid renewable capacity being developed. Projects in this region are strategically important for India's long-term clean energy goals and grid-scale power generation. For KPI Green Energy, this order reinforces its growing role as a trusted execution partner for marquee renewable energy developers. The company has been steadily scaling up its balance of system and EPC capabilities, and securing a project of this scale highlights its technical expertise, execution capacity, and reliability in handling complex utility-scale developments. The nature of the contracts includes both purchase orders for supply of goods and service orders for on-site execution. The broad size of the contract covers an aggregate 534 MW solar BOS package, making it a materially significant development for KPI Green Energy's order book. Strategically, this order aligns with KPI Green Energy's long-term plan to expand its footprint in large utility-scale solar projects and strengthen its positioning in India's rapidly growing renewable energy sector. As solar installations continue to scale up across India, demand for reliable BOS and EPC partners is expected to remain strong. Overall, this order win from Adani Green Entities not only adds scale and visibility to KPI Green Energy's execution pipeline but also enhances its credibility in participating in some of the country's largest renewable energy projects.